Good day everyone. I'm here to show you guys something you benefit from. This leaf is called jokoje in Yoruba language. You know we are in Yoruba land, and if you want to buy something you have to look for the Yoruba name, or if you want to teach something you have to look for the Yoruba name, because this leaf, in case you want to go and buy it, go to the market, you have to look for the Yoruba name to buy it. The leaf is called jokoje. You see this jokoje leaf that you are seeing, this particular leaf you are seeing here, this is how it is, so you will not be deceived. This is how the jokoje leaf is. You can see it here. What will you be doing with this powerful leaf I'm showing you guys? As a woman, you're having low sperm counts. A man, as a man, you're having low sperm counts. Go and wash it like bitter leaf. Be drinking it morning, evening. Then, if your heart, if there are some people they find it difficult to breathe, they find it difficult to breathe well. Most of them, they will struggle before they will breathe well, for it to balance. If you are experiencing such, some people they find they have hard breath, they find it difficult to balance their breathing. If you are experiencing such thing, go and get this leaf. Get me ripe plantain. 7 of this leaf, slice your plantain into 7, and alligator pepper. Put the alligator pepper in the middle of this leaf. Put it, squeeze it, fold it to yourself, and make sure the alligator pepper did not fall down. You are chewing the leaf, you're eating your plantain. If you are chewing the leaf with the alligator pepper, you are eating your plantain. Do it for 3 days too. Ripe plantain and this leaf. Do it for 3 days. You will see that breath, your heart, your breathing will come down. Your breathing will come down to normal. Then if you're a pregnant woman, you're looking for the fruit of the womb, you've tried everything possible, please, I mostly post herbal medicine for pregnant women. If you know you've gone to hospitals, some people their IVF is failing them. When they get pregnant, they will have miscarriage. Come and check yourself. We are in Lagos. Come for physical checkup. Stop wasting your money in that hospital, going from one hospital to another, spending millions. Where we are here, herbal medicine is there that can heal you. When you come and we did a checkup on you, my brother, my sister, I swear you will see the results. A lot of people have been coming. A lot of people have come and see with their own eyes. We are not scammers. We are not fake. We always deliver whatever brought you to our doorstep. You must surely see your testimony before going out. This particular medicine I'm showing you guys, you are not paying me. The only thing you will use in paying me is sharing it out. Sharing it out. And if you want more details about this particular medicine called jokoje, things that this medicine can do in one's life, follow me. Write it on my DM, and I will teach you more spiritual things you can use this particular medicine to achieve. Go for checkup. Go and check yourself. Come and check yourself. Checkup is not expensive. Our medicine is not expensive. If you have something that, if you know you are looking for the fruit of the womb, maybe your womb is not balanced, your womb is down, your bilateral tube has been blocked, it has been stiff, it is blocked. Most times your menstruation do not come the way it's supposed to. Maybe you have a PID. Please don't just sit down and allow things to spoil before you make a move. I know a lot of people have been making move, and because some of them will say they are not seeing results and they get tired, come to our DM. Women looking for the fruit of the womb, those looking for spiritual work, someone that will assist them, someone that will back them up, come down to our DM. and you will never regret knowing us, because we are lovely and we are friendly, we are accommodating, we see everybody as one, because we all in this life is one. So please use this medicine. I've taught you guys, if you are having heart issue, you use it with plantain. If you're having low sperm count, you use it with water and salt. If you're looking for the fruit of the womb, that maybe you have been doing all kind of medicine, follow my page for more teaching and be doing whatever I ask you to do. That's this one, I'm doing it for free. But if you come to me, I will collect money if you cannot go and get it and do for yourself. Be doing it. If you're looking for fruit of the womb, use it and cook pepper soup. Jokoje, go to herbal medicine where they sell herbal medicine, shops, market, tell them want to buy jokoje, use it and cook pepper soup for 3 days as a woman looking for the fruit of the womb, before your menstruation or after your menstruation. This is how this leaf look like. Don't come to my DM and ask me, Mama, how am I going to use it, because I will not tell you. So this is it. Thank you very, very much.